It's Dr. C. I hope you're all doing really well this morning. I just finished up my 6 classes that I taught this morning. I teach every morning from 5 until 8, and I'm in the central time zone. Bookings have been pretty good for me, surprisingly. I end up with a few blank spaces in my schedule, but those have been filling up with short notice, and I'll take those short notice anytime because that $2 comes in handy. All right, guys, if you haven't already, remember, subscribe to my channel, click that bell when it comes around, and YouTube will notify you when I post a new video. And be sure, while you're at it, give me a thumbs up if you enjoy this video. Today is an exciting day for me because it's the day to unbox the Good Fortune box. It actually came, let's see, today's Thursday. It came on Tuesday, but I was really busy yesterday, so I didn't have a chance to make a video. So we're going to unbox the Good Fortune box. And if you're not subscribed to the Good Fortune box, let me encourage you to do that. Not only is it super great, every time. Stuff is wonderful. Rachel and Sam do a great job, but it also supports two of our fellow VIP Kid teachers, and they're both great. I've met them, and they're wonderful. So let's see what's in the box for this month of August. As always, the packaging is very nice. They always include written description of the things that are included in the box. So, and as I've said before, the packaging is very nice. I always have a neat little sticker there. I'm tired. I can't hardly think. But let's see if we can get this open. Ah, right. Oh, great. I see some great things already. So, finding my paradise wherever I go. That may mess up with my green screen, but there you go. That's a neat little sticker, I guess. I think so. All right, I'm not going to tear it up. And I've been looking for this, and this is really going to mess up with my green screen since it's green, but that's okay because I don't always use my green screen. Online educator. Wonderful. This is a shirt I would actually wear out in public and not just to teach. I think that's wonderful. Shirts are always a very good quality, and I get a lot of wear out of them. Oh, great. Looks like some finger puppets. Well, you can see there are some animals. And guys, I've been getting a lot of level ones. I bet I've gotten probably 4 or 5 different level ones lately, and they're sticking with me. They're coming back. And I've actually had a couple of trials lately. Still, in almost 2 years, I've never converted a trial. But then I went for probably 6 months without a trial at all. So anyway, these are things. My point of all of that is that I could use these with my level ones for sure. Had a really neat little level one this morning. She is a jewel. She really is. Oh, ah, that's funny. It's a durian. And again, we're green this month, so, and it's a duster. That will come in handy for my keyboard. I've tried to remember to put something over my keyboard because it gets very dusty out here in my classroom. So that will come in very handy. I like that. Neat. All right. Oh, a drink cozy. It's five. that, that's perfect. It's 5 a.m. somewhere. Usually at my house, it's 5 a.m. Online educator. That's great too. Very good. I always have a drink that I bring a water. I don't know if it's going to fit. I don't want to mess it up. It's probably not going to fit my water, but that's okay because I do bring coffee sometimes and I think I could fit my cup in there and it would keep it warm. Okay, and we have, oh, okay. This is, let me open it. Suspense. I know the suspense is killing you. Look, it's a scarf, but I wonder if I could use it as a mask. I might. I don't know. Or it may end up on one of my stuffed animals. Anyway, it's neat. That's neat. That is good. All right. That is there. And some trail mix. Guys, I've been trying to eat better. Oh, me. It's such a struggle trying to eat better. And while I'm thinking about that, let me tell you about the step bet that Rachel and Sam and the Good Fortune Box are sponsoring. It's too late to get in on it, but for the month of August, they've been walking and recording their steps, and they had a step bet. You know, you put in $10, and then at the end, everybody that completes will divide up the pot of money. But here's what happened to me. Just my luck. I joined the step bet because I really wanted to get back into my walking, which I've been doing. And I think I almost had the first week. Anyway, for some, oh yeah, I did have the first week because you have free for 7 days. And then for some reason, when on the eighth day, when they were going to take out the cost, I don't remember what it was, 9.99, something like that, maybe 6.99. I don't remember. Anyway, the StepBat, the app was going to take out the cost. For some reason, I had it going through PayPal, but some reason it ended up that it got declined by my debit card. I don't know why. It didn't make any sense. So immediately I went and resubmitted it and it cleared fine. I don't know, just a glitch, I guess. But the problem was once I it knocked me out, I couldn't get back into the step bet because it had already started. So anyway, I'm out of the running on that, but I have kept up my walking and I'm very excited that I've been walking an hour. My goal, not the step bet. The step bet was pretty intensive for me anyway. Um, my goal is at least 3 days a week walk for an hour. Have a beautiful neighborhood here in our little town, and I enjoy walking in the neighborhood and seeing all the neighbors' yards and what they've done. And then there's a little park close by, so I always walk up to the park, and there are ducks, and there's a big uh, water fountain, and it's really neat. So anyway, um, the point of my whole story there, I got lost. I told y'all I'm tired. I haven't had any coffee. Um, I've been doing that, and actually I did 4 days instead of just my three, and I may have done five. I'll have to go back and count, but or go back and look. I can count. Anyway, I've done. I've made my goal this week. So I've got to do or for last week. For this week, I think I've had 2 days. The weather hasn't been very cooperative with, the hurricane or the hurricane that's coming up from the Gulf, and we are impacted by that only by rain, nothing bad storm. And we're certainly praying for all of our fellow teachers and everyone that's along the Gulf Coast and in Texas that are impacted by the hurricane. So, oh, one more thing, and that is the fortune. Always try to get it out without tearing it up. Paradise is to love many things with a passion. I don't know if you can even see that. That won't even focus. But anyway, that's what it said. Trust me. And that's very true, isn't it? That we really make our own paradise. And sometimes I lose sight of that and I forget that very easily. So everything is great, everything's useful. I've never had anything from the Good Fortune box that I couldn't use in some way. So, guys, if you're not subscribed, this is the time to do it. So that's all I had for this morning. I'm going to do a video, and I've been a little negligent on that lately too, but tell your friends, pass along the information, get them to watch my videos and subscribe. I'd like to boost that number up. We're at like 67. I'd like to get up, to 100, and I have some things that I'm going to do for a giveaway when we hit 100. So tell your friends and pass the information along. And I appreciate you so much watching my little videos where I make many mistakes and laugh at myself. If you can't laugh at yourself, what good can you do? So, guys, I hope you have a wonderful day. I'm going to go get some coffee. See you later.